Here's what you'll need for our keto Pensacola-inspired meal. 1 pound of shrimp peeled and deveined, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 cup of cauliflower rice, half a cup of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish, lemon wedges for serving. This recipe is super easy and packed with flavor, so let's get cooking. First, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, add the minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, toss in the diced bell pepper and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to soften. Now, add the shrimp to the skillet. Sprinkle with smoked paprika, dried oregano, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Cook the shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're pink and opaque. Once the shrimp are cooked, remove them from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add the cauliflower rice and diced tomatoes. Stir well and cook for about 5 minutes until the cauliflower rice is tender and has absorbed the flavors. Return the shrimp to the skillet and mix everything together. Let it cook for another 2 minutes to combine the flavors. Return the shrimp to the skillet and mix everything together. Let it cook for another 2 minutes to combine the flavors. Your keto Pensacola-inspired dish is ready to serve. Garnish with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice. This dish is perfect on its own or can be served with a side of leafy greens. All right, let's give this a taste. Wow, that's amazing! The shrimp are perfectly seasoned, and the cauliflower rice adds a nice texture. It's keto-friendly, flavorful, and really takes you to the Gulf Coast. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Good Doctor for more keto recipes and delicious content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.